Let's make a delicious blackened salmon in the air fryer. Here's what you'll need for this recipe. 2 teaspoons of paprika, 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper or chili powder, 3/4 of a teaspoon of onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt or to taste, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/8 teaspoon of white pepper, and 1/8 teaspoon of dried basil, 1/8 teaspoon of dried thyme, and 1/8 teaspoon of dried oregano. You'll also need about 2 teaspoons to a tablespoon of olive oil. I use this quantity of spice for about 2 large salmon fillets. If you want a milder flavor, you can reduce the quantity of spice. Stir all the dry spices together. Pat the salmon dry with a paper towel. This is really important so that the spices stick to the salmon. Spread the fish pieces with oil and sprinkle the spices onto the salmon evenly. I like to use my hand to rub the spices into the salmon. Preheat the air fryer basket at 390 degrees for about 4 minutes. Spray the air fryer basket with some oil and spray the tops of the fillets with a little bit of oil. Don't crowd the basket. Make sure that the pieces are evenly spaced. Air fry for 10 minutes at 390 degrees Fahrenheit. When the cooking time is up, open the air fryer and use a digital thermometer to make sure that the salmon is at about 145 degrees Fahrenheit. If it's not, cook for another minute. Let the salmon rest for about 5 minutes before serving. This is a delicious recipe that I hope you'll get to try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.